You better take
She was telling me how to do the act. She forgot that I was an actress myself too.
नहीं मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ सलाह देने के लिए बट ऑफ कोर्स मैंने उनको यही कहा कि यू नो जस्ट बी योरसेल्फ हाउ यू आर विथ मी एट होम देन शी रिमेंबर्ड दैट घर पे तो चिल्लाती रहती है मुझ पर तो शी कांट डू दैट
Femme and Femme bleaches are a product which actually delivers unmatched fairness that lasts longer for the consumer. It's trusted not only by women across the country, also by parlors and by beauticians, so that we can actually communicate the same trust, the same bonding which is there between mother and daughter. That is how that idea came, and actually it was her. And then her mother also said that she also is a user of Femme bleaches, so she would like us to use her in the app.
हम लोग ज़्यादातर तो नेचुरल चीज़ों में बिलीव करते थे और सारे हमारे जो कॉस्मेटिक्स वगैरह हैं वो सब हमारे किचन से ही निकल आते थे, लेकिन आजकल के बच्चों को बहुत कुछ मिल जाता है रेडीमेड एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ मेड सो ब्यूटिफुली. जैसे कि डाबर की जो चीज़ें हैं दे आर ऑल मोस्टली नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स पुट इनटू इट, सो आई थिंक it's good that they get everything ready for them.
Of course, she is my skin advisor. She's my skin expert at home. हाँ घर के बोलते हैं ना ग्रैंड मामाज नुस्खाज वो निकाल कर रख देती है.
I always tell Sonakshi, you must get into natural makeup. They'll make your beauty last longer. They'll make you look beautiful for longer, which I think for an actress is the most important thing, because their face is what matters in the career that she is in.
Silence, please. Rolling. And action. Okay. Same action.
Alright, ready? Let's go. Action.
Indian skin is wheatish, you know, we've got a very beautiful skin texture, skin tone, unlike the Caucasian skin, which is skin abroad. So we decided how can we make it more beautiful. So if it gets the magic of a silver or a pearl, it shines better.
Basically the assumption people have that bleach is all about chemicals and all, so to negate those views, we have the natural ingredients which is saffron and pearl. And the concept behind the mother and daughter is that every girl believes that the mother is the best solution provider.
We are saying that it is a 3-step process, you know. It is not only having the natural ingredients which will actually nourish your skin while you're getting the healthier skin, it actually cleanses the pore, because while you're applying it, it opens up the pore, it removes the dead cells, it lightens the skin, at the same time it removes suntan.
It's a cut. Perfect.
Well, the story of this commercial is Sonakshi in a wonderland. Just because she's dreaming, and we catch her as she's in her dream, and she's dreaming about this saffron flower. She's in the middle of a huge saffron flower, and the connection at the end is she is waking up nicely by her mommy with the saffron flower.
सनम में क्लाइमैक्स जो एक्शन सीक्वेंस है वहाँ पर मुझे बाइक चलाना था, गुंडों से लड़ना था और बहुत मज़ेदार था. तो पर धूप बड़ी कड़क थी वहाँ पर एंड यू नो सो दैट्स वन ऑफ द प्लेसेस वेयर आई फेल्ट लाइक माई स्किन रिक्वायर्ड अ लॉट मोर पैम्परिंग जस्ट which Femme did give me.
Camera?
Rolling.
My wife also is a user, so she also likes the product, so I guess there's no need to tell her or justify it.
I personally also have used this product. I think it's very important to have a healthy routine. Use all these products with natural ingredients, and it is very important for us to see whether the pack is actually trusted by skin experts.
I think the most simple, the most easily followed beauty tip that at least I do all the time is to have a lot of water. it's good for the skin, it's good for overall well-being, and I think for me, I'm blessed. My mother has wonderful skin, so it's been passed on to me, so I don't tamper much with my skin.
Action.
देखा सैफरन और पर्ल्स का कमाल.
Perfect. It's a cat. Perfect.
It was uncanny. You know, the set is like just what Sonakshi's bedroom is going to look like in the new house. And I was really amazed. In fact, I was telling them I can pick up a few things, you know, and put them in our bedroom.
जब हमारा बेडरूम बन रहा था तो मैंने कहा कि I want a very nice old English Victorian style bedroom, and तो I think जब वो यहाँ पर आई तो थोड़ा deja vu हो गया. So you know now why we fit so comfortably in this ad, because everything is like अरे ये तो घर पे होता है.
Jodha Akbar was a film which was touched me, and I think I worked in a film after 27 years. 27 years, and the role was worth it.
Femme for female, femme fatale,
You are the good star.
femme for feminine.
Real life. Playback game.
Femme for femme.